In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your language or display language on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, select where it says time and language. And then on the right side, select where it says language and region. And then at the top where it says Windows Display Language, you can click on the drop-down and select from a different language installed on your computer. If there is not one, you can select the Add a Language button right here, locate it on the list, and then select Next, and then you will need to install it. And then once it's installed, you may need to restart your device and then come back in here and select the drop-down and then select your language of preference from the top, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.